Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Escape in sterling grey metallic with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has got a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder engine and it's a front wheel drive. It's really great to get into this little hatchback and get away. If you'd like to take it out for a test drive, check in with our sales staff. They'd be happy to take you out. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, as well as media with volume control. When you want to start up the vehicle, just put the key in the ignition, and on your dash you're going to see any important messages appear. And there's the odometer reading, and then we can toggle through for different options in the menu. So trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you're seeing the display screen there. It's got the time as well as you're seeing the media, which is AM, FM, and you also have a CD player. It's located right here. And then your options are there for the volume and tuner, and you have your hazard lights located there. Down below you're seeing your climate control, and you have your AC as well as max AC and front defrost, and then you have your fan off to the side as well as the temperature. You have an automatic select shifter and a 12-volt there with a little cubby and a couple of cup holders. Emergency parking brake is right beside you, and then your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a little bin. You can take that out, more storage, and you've got your auxiliary line in as well as a 12-volt down there. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, and in the center you have dome lighting. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, roof rails. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and then when you're ready to open up that hatch, all you have to do is put your hand in the handle underneath and it'll lift right up. Inside it's nice and roomy and carpeted. Off to the side you have a light and a 12-volt, and there's also tabs to be able to tether things. And then up to the side here there's a handle, so when you're ready to close it, simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily bring down the headrest with the push of a button, and then the lever at the base of the seat brings it right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. On the back of the seat there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and then easily lift the seat back up with a push and then flip up the headrest. On the floor on this side you've got a little bin, and I've just taken off the all-weather mat just to show you. There you go, you can put little items in there, and there's your all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a little cubby with a 12-volt. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the windows, roof rails, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.